hoodie.
Move it, dork. Whoa, almost dropped your baby backpack.
Look at her face. She's gonna cry.
Nice hoodie. My grandma's got one just like it.
Stop, just stop.
Cry, baby.
Yeah, grab your stuff and run home.
I just want to go home.
We told you to move. Please. Just get out of the way.
Hey, nice backpack, nerd. Hand it over.
Yeah, let's see what's in it.
Oh! Okay, we're going.
Forget it. Come on.
Boy, thank
Get out of me if you can. Right behind you. Hey, too slow.
High five.
Come here, buddy. Here he comes. Good boy.
He likes you.
Today we honor a friend who has shown us what loyalty and bravery truly mean. Max, on behalf of everyone at Riverside, thank you.
Stay out a little longer.